we're going to transform plain store-bought naan breads into super addictive and irresistible garlic naan. Combine olive oil and garlic in a cold saucepan and then put the pan over medium heat. By starting with a cold pan, you give the garlic a chance to heat up gently and infuse the oil without burning. After 1 to 2 minutes, brush the garlic oil over 2 to 4 naan breads. Then broil for 1 to 3 minutes until they're toasted and browned in spots. Cut the breads into wedges and then finish them off with a sprinkle of cilantro. I suggest making extra of these because they will disappear fast.